We present to your attention the NORDBERG LED lamp for the 1909 model. 8 bright LEDs plus an additional end diode light. The lamp is equipped with a built-in lithium battery of 3 and 6 volts with a capacity of 2000 mAh. Charging is carried out via a standard micro USB connector. The folding design of the lamp allows you to fold it 60 degrees in each direction. The lamp is shock resistant, the powerful case reliably protects it from any external influences. The power of the end lighting is 1 watt, the main 8 diodes are 3 watts. The luminous flux of the main lighting is about 300 lumens. It is worth paying special attention to the convenience of storing the lamp during non-working hours. This is certainly the presence of a metal holder for suspension and the possibility of attaching the lamp to metal surfaces using a magnet. Agree, the presence of the tool in a prominent place significantly saves your time. The LED battery lamp is an indispensable assistant when repairing a car.